In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF file in Word using Google Chrome. This one is my PDF document and I want to convert this PDF file into Word using Google Chrome. Right click on PDF document, go to Open With and click on Google Chrome. Right click on the document and click on Search this tab with Google Lens. Click on Remind Me Later. Now select the text. Click on Copy Text. Close Google Chrome. Go to Search. Type Word. Open MS Word. Click on Blank Document. Right click on Empty Area and then click on Paste. That's it. This is the easiest way to convert PDF file into Word in Google Chrome.